Hello, philosophy students. Welcome back to another session of Philosophy by the Day. It is undeniable that humans were given a nature at their creation. God created this human nature and determines the good and evil. When doing so, he grounds this determination in the nature of humans. Good and evil for man and human nature are inexplicably interconnected. Now, there is a belief known as the divine command theory. This concept states that if God wills something, then it is right. This gives him exemption from doing anything wrong, including stealing, lying, or murdering. Another belief, known as positivism, is similar, but follows the belief that the good is determined due to the prior actions of God or deriving logically from pre existing decisions he has made. According to Surendra Gangadine, creation is according to what God is pleased to reveal of himself, and the law is according to the nature of the being created. Although this can support the determination of good and evil, what this belief fails to recognize is God's nature. God's nature is perfect, non contradictory, and is revealed through his laws. Thus, the DCT and positivism cannot be proven true. For example, if a skeptic were to say, "Is murder wrong?" Murder is wrong not because he wills it to be wrong, but because by natures of God it is wrong. Deontology is a belief that states there are a set of number of virtues, which determines a basis for morality. Consequentialism is a belief that states that the result of certain actions determine a basis for morality. According to David, an action is the right thing to do in a certain circumstance. If of all the actions available in those circumstances, it would produce the most preferable outcome. To explain teleology, one must understand the idea that everything has an intended purpose. This means that is focused on the morale absolute, or good. Therefore, virtues and happiness are understood in succession to, or in relation to the moral absolute. Two other approaches to ethics take a different stance. Deontology understands the moral absolute in relation to virtue, and therefore cannot be true. Consequentialism understands the moral absolute in relation to the results of one's actions, so therefore it cannot be true.